Don't mistake Facebook for face-to-face. Social networking sites like Facebook serve a valuable purpose. They enable us to enrich our connections with people currently in our social grid and allow us to expand our circle of contact. Because we are now operating in capitalism 3.0, Facebook and other social networking sites such as the high income a smallworld.net and business oriented linkedin.com raise the value and amount of our contact capital. So far so good. But we forewarned, when it comes to contact capital, Facebook can never replace face to face. To paraphrase John Naisbitt's observation in his benchmark bestseller Mega Trends, the more high tech we have, the more counterbalancing high touch we need. No matter how sophisticated an online facilitator is, in the end, there's no substitute for human touch. You can't digitize a hug or a handshake. You can't email eye contact. You can't text message or touch. In our personal lives, there are dozens of occasions when nothing can take the place of a personal appearance. We are expected to be present during joyous celebrations such as weddings, graduations, birthdays, holidays and family reunions, as well as memorable milestones and solemn occasions such as retirements, tributes and funerals. Same goes for our business lives. Nothing, and I mean nothing, can take the place of face-to-face when it comes to important business protocols such as making presentations, managing people, quoting a new client, teaching and training new people, closing a deal, or participating in a regional or national conference. Sure, high-tech devices are great, but by their very nature, they are soulless, which is why they will never replace the energy of a live event, the passion of a great live presentation or performance, or the feeling you get when you connect face to face with another human being in mind and spirit.